Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on the reduce function. In this lecture, we'll see how we can use the reduce function. The reduce function applies a given function to the elements in a sequence, and then we'll get the final result. And the final result is usually a single element. Okay, let's look at an example. Before we do that, if you are using Python 3, don't forget to import the reduce function from a module called function tools. So from func tools, import reduce. So if you are using Python 3, don't forget to import it. So from func tools, import reduce. This is for Python 3 users. So in Python 3, the reduce function is inside the functools module. So we'll need to import that for Python 3. Let's see an example. So let's say let's apply the minimum method on a list containing the following elements. Let's say 3, 8, 6, 9, 7, 2, 5, and 11. So what this will do is the reduce function will apply the minimum method on each of the elements in our sequence, and the result will be a single element. In this case, the minimum of the elements in our list is 3. So the result will be 3. So if we run it, we get, the result is 2. Since 2 is the minimum of all the elements. Similarly, we can apply the maximum function on the same list, and the result will be 11. Let me paste it, run it, we get 11. So that's the reduce function. It applies a function to a given sequence and then gives you a single element as a result. Now let's look at an example of how we can use the reduce function with a lambda function. Let's say we have a list of days. Let's add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. What we'll do is we'll apply the length function and we'll find out which of these days has the highest length. So the length of Monday is what? 6. The length of Tuesday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. The length of Wednesday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the length of Saturday is 8. So we'll use the length function to find out the length of each of these elements, and whichever element has the highest length will be the result. So reduce lambda, let's say A and B, and then return A if length of A is greater than length of B, or else return B, right? Let me put the parenthesis there and remove it here. Or else return B, and apply that to our days object, to the list containing these days. So reduce lambda, you have AB, 2 elements, and then return A if length of element A is greater than length of B, or else return B. So it will compare each of the elements. It will take two elements at a time and then compare the lengths of the elements. So the lengths of Monday is 6 and Tuesday is 7. So whichever has the higher lengths will be returned. That will be Tuesday, and then compare that to the next element. Wednesday has the highest length, so it will take that and then compare it to the next element. So it will do the length comparison to each of the elements in a given list. And finally, the result will be the element with the highest length. In this case, it will be Wednesday. Oh, let's run our list containing days. Let's run this again. So we get Wednesday. That's how we'd use the reduce function. We could have also said reduce lambda AB, return A if length of A is greater than B, or else return B, and pass our list, right? Pass the elements of our list, Command C, paste it here, and you'll get the same result. Great. So one thing to remember about the reduce function is it will compare each of the elements in your sequence and then gives you a single result at the end. And if you are using Python 3, don't forget to import the reduce function from the functools module. Great. Thank you everyone, and see you at the next lecture.